Hi everybody, Smart Shopping Expert Trey Bodge here, talking about best buys for February, and these are the categories that are going to be the most deeply discounted this month. So let's kick it off with Valentine's Day, which of course is February 14th. Right about now, we're going to start seeing discounts on anything giftable, so chocolates all the way through jewelry. It's important to note that jewelry doesn't go on sale very often, and this is one of a handful of times during the year that it does. So whether you're buying a Valentine's Day gift or you're just looking to make a jewelry purchase maybe for yourself, it's a good time to take a look because jewelry will be on sale. Something to note is that flowers are a little bit of a maybe. You want to be very careful about flower pricing. Sometimes the prices are inflated and then discounted, so it looks like they're on sale when they're really not. Also, if you are going to order flowers online, I would highly suggest that you do so around now in the next few days and not wait too long, because otherwise you're going to pay express shipping fees, and that's no good. Something to check out if you prefer to buy locally is that Whole Foods usually does a really good deal on roses. So that's a great thing to check out, and of course support your local florist as well. So that's all Valentine's Day, lots of giftable items, and of course right after Valentine's Day, everything Valentine's Day themed will be on clearance. So if you like those Valentine's Day chocolates, it's a good time to snap those up at 50 to 75% off. And then right after Valentine's Day also is President's Day weekend. It's all kind of bunched together this year. And President's Day is a 3-day weekend. We always see great deals around 3-day weekends. And President's Day is known for deals on mattresses and then also home items. So take a look there. Great time to invest in a bed in a box, or checking out any home items like home furnishings, rugs, furniture, things like that, and small appliances. We do see a little bit of that as well. And then near the end of the month, we'll start seeing some really good deals on tax prep software as well. H&R Block in particular has a really, really good deal, and you can find that on TrueTrae.com in my February deal roundup. The one thing I would maybe skip for this month would be small electronics, like smartwatches and phones and things like that. You're not going to find great prices there. Probably the next time we'll see good prices there will be around July, when we see those Black Friday and July sales, also Amazon Prime Day. So hold off on your small electronics purchases if you can. So I hope that you found this helpful. Please visit TrueTrae.com for more information and links to dozens and dozens and dozens of deals, some of which are exclusive to me and of course then to you. Leave a comment below if there's something that you'd like to see me cover that I haven't done already. And in the meantime, happy shopping.